If you're a small business looking to make a splash on TikTok, then making sure you're tracking the right metrics is essential to your success. By understanding and analyzing these TikTok analytics, you can refine your content strategy and drive more traffic to your account. Let's dive into the top 5 TikTok metrics your small business should be tracking. First up, we have video views. Knowing how many users are watching your content and how long they're engaged is crucial to understanding your audience and reach. By analyzing this data, you can create content that captures your audience's interest from start to finish. Next, let's talk about engagement rate. Likes, comments, shares, and saves are vital interactions that can really propel your TikTok account forward. By creating engaging content that inspires action, you can do things like drive sales, generate leads, and build a thriving community around your small business. Hashtag performance is another key metric to monitor. By researching and using relevant hashtags, you can not only boost your discoverability, but connect with a potential audience. It's important to strike a balance between popular and more specific hashtags. Finding that balance will really help you maximize your reach and visibility. Tracking your follower growth is, of course, a strong indicator of your overall success on TikTok. The goal here is to attract high intent and high value followers. Remember, it's always about quality over quantity when it comes to our followers. If we want to have a loyal community that actually purchases from our small business, we need to make sure we're not just looking at the numbers here, but what is the quality of the followers we're gaining. Now, last but certainly not least is conversions. As a small business, it's crucial that we track what followers are doing after they engage with our content. Whether it's things like website clicks or app downloads, we want to make sure that our followers are taking that next step to engaging with us after watching our content. Now, to make the most of these TikTok metrics, you first want to make sure that you have a TikTok business account so you're seeing everything that I just spoke about. You want to regularly review your metrics. This will really allow you to be in control of your strategy, to know what is and isn't working, and to be able to revise and come up with a new plan if what you first set out isn't quite landing. Now, we have a ton more information here in our blog post that's dedicated to this topic. Make sure you check it out in the description below. Now go out there, track your metrics, and make your mark on TikTok. And until I see you next time, happy TikToking.